Take a closer look to this dress, and here are the measurements. All right, these are all $50, and as you can see, it's heavily embroidered. The work here, nugs are here and beautifully embroidered. Finished off with these beautiful tassels, fully lined. As you can see, piping is nicely done. These are the sleeves. All right, and I'm going to show you the back. This is the back of the dress. Okay, now I'm going to show you this is the trouser, and you can see it has elastic in it, so you just have to buy it and wear it. And the dupatta is also finished off with the lace. So this is the first dress. All right, let's talk about this dress. These are the measurements, and here you go. I'm just gonna give you a closer look of the dress. This is the front side of the dress. These are the sleeves. That's the daman. And fully lined. Now I'm going to show you the back. This is how the back looks. And it comes with this trouser. So this is the trouser, because as you can see, it matches with the back, right? So the trouser, it's again, elastic is already there. And this is the dupatta of this dress. Okay, so this is a complete suit. Now let's talk about this one. As you can see, the neckline is nicely done with the tassels, and this is the front of the dress. This is the daman. Here are the sleeves and trouser. Okay, and it's already elasticated, so nothing to worry about. Just take it and wear it. That's the back of the dress. Here is another dress, and these are the measurements. All right, so this is the neckline. That's the front of the dress. This is the daman. Finish off with the tassels. And here are the sleeves. As you can see, the beads are embellished. Okay, beautifully done. And this is the trouser and the dupatta of it. And you can see this is self printed, and the sleeves are self printed as well. And that's the back of the kameez. So these are the measurements for this dress, and this is size large, and here you can see all right, this is the daman, let me show you the sleeves. These are the sleeves. And that's the back of the dress. It comes with a very beautiful trouser. Let me show you. This is the trouser. See, what else you want for $50? And it comes with the tie and dye dupatta. It's really nice. And this is the dupatta with the dress. For more inquiries, please contact Kirat or Mona. The numbers are appearing on the screen, and you can go to our page styleoblender on Facebook to see our other products. You can follow us on Instagram as well, but we are more active on Facebook page. Anyways, that's it for this video. So you guys take care, and we'll see you hopefully. Bye.